Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam. Selamat menyambut bulan Mei. Hari ini 2 hari bulan Mei. Okay, 2 hari bulan Mei 2018. Kita dah hampir ke half year of the 2018. Okay. Kita bersama lagi hari ini, hari Rabu malam. Seperti biasa, kita ada webinar. Uh, anjuran Hot Forex. Okay. Price action trading understanding market psychology part 2. Last week I already cover part 1. Okay. So before start, sebelum kita start, sila baca disclaimer ini, penafian dalam bahasa Melayu. Okey, sila ambil masa 1 minit untuk baca dan fahamkan risiko pelaburan dalam forex dan produk CFD. Okey, saya harap anda faham apa yang disclaimer ini katakan. Okey, kita terus. Okey. Ini adalah saya Tengku Ishak, trainer di Hot Forex. Okey, saya bersama dengan Hot Forex sejak daripada 2017. Yang mana saya adalah trainer yang akan sharing pasal trading, pasal analisa pasaran dan juga yang lain-lain. Okay, saya selalu tekankan do your research, identify and action. Okay, tapi yang paling penting selalu saya cakapkan, trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself, make it simple, jangan pening-peningkan kepala. Okay, sebab apa yang pentingnya kita nak apa dalam trading ni, apa yang penting kita kena percayakan diri kita. Okay, dalam trading ni sebenarnya asas trading adalah mudah. Okay, kenapa adalah mudah? Sebab trading ni is about analisis. Ada beberapa jenis analisis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, lepas tu risk management, money management dan juga trading psychology. Hari ini saya akan share banyak kepada technical dengan combine dengan fundamental analysis. Macam mana kita nak predict the market psychology. Okay, kenapa last week saya dah kenapa psychology is important, give us edge over trading, higher probability, kita tahu market direction. Okay, sebab apa kita tahu what's going on market, how investor. Okay, sebab dalam market ni ada banyak kategori. Okay, commercial, speculator, bank and retail. So apa sentimen dalam pasaran psikologi dan pasaran kita boleh tahu. Okay, so psikologi ni sebab apa? Psikologi dia ada level-level dia. Start with the contempt up to greed and back to the fear. Okay, selalu orang panggil greed and fear. Okay, dekat atas dia akan tamak, dekat bawah dia akan panik. Itu selalu yang terjadi. Okay, sebab apa sentimen analisis penting? Sebab kita nak tahu psikologi dalam pasaran, market dalam mood apa. Okay, dalam forex, dalam stock market sebenarnya agak mudah. Sebab kita tertumpu kepada satu jenis pasaran saja. Macam stok Malaysia ni, BSKL ni, tertumpu kepada Malaysia saja. US, concentrate kepada US saja. Tapi kalau dalam forex ni, kita sedikit complicated sebab kita ada pair Euro USD. Kita kena tahu what is the psychology of the Euro, what is the psychology of the USD. Okay, so kita boleh combine sentimen ni, psychology analysis ni dengan fundamental atau technical analysis untuk memberi kita more depth. Okay, lebih pengetahuan mengenai keadaan pasaran semasa. Okay, contrarian. Okay, antara metod yang digunakan adalah contrarian. Okay, crowd behavior. Crowd behavior ni, macam mana kita nak tahu contrarian method ni? Apabila price dah naik tinggi, kita akan go contrarian. Kita akan sell. Lagi naik price, lagi kita akan sell. Sebab kita tahu, okay, price, we sell at high, buy at low. Okay, konsep kita senang. Sell at high, buy at low. So, bila dah naik high tu, kita akan sell. Okay, contrarian trader. Okay. Waktu tu sentimen, apa jadi kepada sentimen, kita akan go contrarian. Okay. Sentimen time tu bullish, kita akan sell. Sentimen time tu bearish, kita akan buy. Contoh, contrarian ni. Okay. Contrarian, contrarian, okay, sekejap. Sorry, bukan yang ni. Contrarian. Okay, macam sekarang. Okay. Nampak chart tak? Betul reply, I need to check with you. Nampak chart tak? Okay, harap nampak lah. Okay. Okay, ini adalah chart. Hopefully anda nampak. So, apa jadi? Contrarian trader ni, lagi price turun. Okay. Ni sentimen dia seller. Okay, sell. Tapi contrarian ni dia akan buy. Okay, ini kita panggil contrarian method. Kontra dengan sentimen pasaran semasa. Sentimen euro sekarang, euro USD is going down. So, apa jadi? Dia akan buy. Lagi dia turun, lagi dia akan buy. Tapi ini masalahnya, bila sentimen, psikologi is selling, they will try to go opposite. They try to go opposite, it will give problem to them. Okay? Give problem to them. So, apa jadi contrarian? Kita nak jadi contrarian, be a smart contrarian trader. Be smart contrarian, macam ini Euro USD, contrarian where we want to buy, maybe at support. Buy at low. Kalau kita nak sell, sell at high. Okay? Sell at resistance, buy at low. Combine with your support resistance. Sungguh pun momentum sell ni, if we take some risk untuk buy dekat sini, our loss is not so big. Maybe there are chances of reversal. Tapi usually price action, bila dia sampai dekat sini, dia akan buat reversal. Kalau dia ada reversal pattern, that mean we can go buy. Sungguh pun time to sentiment still sell because we have starting to see some information that maybe buyers start to coming in. So we go contra. Momentum still sell, kita akan buy. That is contrarian trader. Macam sekarang. Okay. Macam sekarang untuk GBP USD. Okay. So, the momentum now is selling. Betul tak? Contrarian, they will look for buy. Sebab apa? Dia contrarian. So, bila contrarian, they will look for buy. You must understand, the market psychology now sell. They will try to go against it. They will try to against it. Don't be a bad trader. You masuk kat sini ke kat sini. Masuk dekat tempat yang you know is clear. Contoh sini. Resistance become support. Okay, price action is not about line. It's about area. Area, influential area. Kalau kita tengok belakang, this is the area. So, we try to buy here against the trend. But why we buy here? Because the price action technical. Contrarian versus trend. Okay. Saya share ni ya. Contrarian versus trend. Trader. Traders versus two. They will always go against. Versus ride the trend. So, itu beza antara contrarian dengan trend trader. Satu, contrarian dia akan go against. Kalau that mean, if trend is down, psychology market is, psychology mostly kata sell. Betul tak? Tapi contrarian, dia akan will look for buy. So kalau contrarian will look for buy, the question is where we want to buy. Be smart. Be smart. Buy at support. So, selalu ini kita dapat. Kalau trend trader, dia akan look for sell. Okay. They will look for sell. Kalau trend trader, they will look to sell at resistance. Selalunya, break, retest, and continue. Contoh, if the trend down, break support, retest, support become resistance, and continue down. Ini buy at support or buy on the bounce. Itu beza dia. Okay, kalau kita tengok chart the psychology of market. Because there are two type. First type, psychology of market, kita tengok sekarang ni macam case ni. Okay, kalau kita contrarian trader, we understand the market is the down, sell. But we try to buy on the support, buy back. This is contrarian trader. Tapi kalau trend trader, apa dia buat? Dia akan tunggu dia breach support, dia akan retest ini, reject, go down. So, the probability is here, up, or here. Here or here. Which one is true? We don't know. Everything has a probability. We trade based on what we see. So, contrarian trader selalunya dia akan go against. Dia akan buy balik. Okay, macam contoh di sini. Okay, contoh di sinilah. High, sell. So, apabila price dah sampai sini, what contrarian trader will do? They will sell. Because they will go against contra the market. In contrast with market. Market going up, they will sell. But don't be fooled by the market. Kalau kita sell dekat sini, kita akan floating. Sell dekat sini, kita akan floating ataupun kita kena stop loss ke apa. So be smart. Be smart what we do. Sell at high. Even though against the trend is going up. Tapi because we sell at the resistance, maybe we have the probability higher is to win. Don't trade contrarian waktu dekat tengah-tengah trend. Contrarian trader actually is very good trade selalunya. Okay. Tapi we can know what is the sentiment. Sell at high, buy at low. Market sentiment, market psychology. During that time, market psychology usually buyer will coming in. But we go contrarian. Because why? We know. At one level, it will reverse. Okay, clear? So, that is contrarian trader. Contrarian trader selalunya nak senang kita tengok price. Kita tengok price Euro USD. Okay, now is the bear movement. So, contrarian trader what to do? Wait for bounce untuk sell. Untuk buy, sorry. Janganlah buy dekat sini. Janganlah buy kat sini. We will get trapped. Where to buy? We need to be smart. Try to find the strong inflation area. This is the psychology of the market. Psychology market say this is the support. This is where the buyer would like to be. This is the last defense of the buyer. So, if you want to be a buyer at the right place. Mana sini? Because psychology buyer, dia tak akan tunggu sini. Dia akan tunggu sini. Sebab tu kita tengok, waktu dia tak ada dekat support resistance-nya area, pergerakan dia memang besar. Because we don't see any seller. You want to go contrarian, go smart. Okay, macam sini. Kenapa momentum dia sangat kuat untuk turun? Sebab dekat sini, no buyer will defend because there is no support here. Up down to here saja buyer akan start try to defend. They will try to see what is going on in the market. So that's why you can see a small sideways here. Sebab di sini support, buyer try to hold the price, but ultimately seller. So these parts buyer may be lost. And then you can see momentum down because why? No buyer. Kenapa tak ada buyer? Because buyer will wait here at the support area sini. You can see support reject out. Tapi ultimately seller stays too strong. So how we want to know contrarian will work or not? Contrarian will work at the support resistance area. This case, okay, you can see this support resistance area. You can see this case. Okay, price is coming down, but why we buy? Because we wait to buy at the support. Kita boleh tengok tau price. Kita boleh tengok price bila sampai dekat support resistance dia reject. So we know if we are contrarian, we go against trend. Tapi go against trend is high risk, but it's worth it if we know where to go in. Faham tak? So this tell you the psychology. Candlestick saya dah ajar hari tu. Psychology, this psychology. What is the psychology of the candlestick? Strong seller. Strong seller in the market. Yesterday also tell you a strong seller stay in the market. Today tak complete lagi, but we know some weak buyer coming in. So sentiment, psychology, market still looking for sell. But if we are contrarian, we can go try to take the pullback. If you ask me, my preference still more on the trend trader. Seriously, trend trader like this one. Break, retest, down. Why? We know it will go down. One of the reasons, try to see the psychology of the market. Seller, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. A bit weak sell, but weak buyer. And then seller start to control again. So this buyer usually a contrarian trader. But what the 10 trader wait is not there. 10 trader wait here. When a break, retest, rejection, they will go in. Try to understand the psychology. Psychology of the market, the first psychology of the market, try to understand why Japanese candlestick is formed. Japanese candlestick is invented because of the farmer want to see, okay, the price movement. So they know what is the psychology of the market, buy or sell. Clear? So psychology of the market, how we want to know? First, look into the candle, strong sell, weak buy, weak sell. But before that, strong sell, strong sell. Clear, dapat idea? So, another thing is commitment of trader. One way to know the psychology in the market is try to see commitment of trader. Commitment of trader report ni give us information about the commitment of the trader. Because why? Because COT provide information about trend and power of the commitment. Okay, Spot forex is over the counter. So, spot forex over the counter, dia tak centralized. Okay, kita ada banyak brokerage, kita ada banyak LP providers pun, dia tak centralized. Okay, macam saham centralized, saham Malaysia semua di BSKL. Dow, semua di Dow. Tapi dalam future market, kita ada juga forex future. Kita boleh gunakan future market ni sebagai kita punya proxy untuk spot market. Sebab apa? Sebab dekat future market, kita boleh tengok speculative and commercial transaction. Spekulatif ni yang penting. Okay, so we can know what is the speculative position dalam future market yang mana kita boleh reflectkan kepada spot market. Okay, Commodity Future Trading Commission publish COT every Friday. So daripada ni kita boleh tahu this week punya psikologi macam mana. Based on net long and short. Okay, mana kita nak dapat commitment of trader? Commitment of trader sebenarnya boleh dapat kalau kita buka website Hot Forex every Friday. Show filter, saya dah pilih major pair every Friday. Every Friday, Saturday morning lah waktu Malaysia. Sorry, 3:30 Saturday morning. So, kita akan dapat positions. CFTC, USD, Gold, Oil, GBP, JPY, Euro, AUD. Dia punya simbol mudah saja. Kalau negatif, net sell. Okay. Kalau positif, net long, net buy. Okay, ini maksudnya weak. Ini maksudnya the psychology it is strong. Okay. So kalau ini nombor positif besar, maksudnya is a strong currency. Kalau ini rendah, weak currency. So kita boleh nampak. Okay. So macam mana kita nak analyse? Macam mana kita nak analyse commitment of trader? Ini semua ada. Kita compare previous dengan actual. So we can see the difference. Okay, we can see the difference. So from the difference, we know what is going on in the market for that currency and its pair. Okay, so ini contoh. Saturday 21, kita tengok US dollar. Saturday 21, dia publish report yang minggu sebelum tu, minggu 20th, 13 sampai 20th. So USD non-commercial net position negatif 10.5. Minggu sebelum negatif 10.7. Okay, kalau kita tengok chart US dollar. Okay, kita buka US dollar index lah. Senang sikit nak tengok. Okay. Ini saya buka dekat H4. Okay. Kita cuba tengok minggu 21 sampai 27. Sorry. Sini. Minggu USD 21, 20, 13 sampai 20. Negatif 10.5. So ini adalah commitment of trader. Okay. Minggu ini, minggu sebelum dan minggu ini. So based on that, kita boleh tahu satu benda. Okay. US dollar. Oh, bukan sini. Dia dekat slide. Sorry. Confused. US dollar week before 21st is 10.7, and for the week negative 10.5. What does it mean? So kita boleh tengok sini, it's not change much for the week. Kenapa? Sebab kita tengok dekat commitment of trader untuk week 21st, untuk week before that is sorry, bukan sini, salah lagi. Yeah, negative 10.7, negative 10.5. Okay, that means the sideways is there. So bila publish 21st, kita boleh nampak it's really change much compared to week before. Tapi selepas itu kita tengok bila week 28 US dollar tiba-tiba mengukuh daripada negative 10.5, ini negative 10.5 on the week 21st, week 28 it becomes 211. So daripada sell kepada buy punya mood. Apa impact dia kepada pasaran if we know? Okay, impact dia kepada pasaran, we can see that when increase in commitment of trader, we can see the price also increase. Yeah. Okay, week before negative 10. Tapi bila dia jump, dia naik. So we know one thing, the bullish start to coming in, the bullish mood. So the next week, what we can expect, it will continue to go up. Because why? Because commitment of traders showing increasing trend of the US dollar. Sorry, not here. Here. Increasing trend. Because from negative 10.5 up to 211 is a big number. So let we look Euro. Euro 147, 151 increase. Okay, on the week 21st is 151. But on the date of 28, so the 151 dropped to 130. It show you that the number of the sellers start to coming in. Because the commitment of trader is down. So try to find the opportunity untuk sell. Katakanlah untuk sell. Ke untuk buy. Waktu itu US dollar menaik. Okay, here. US dollar menaik. So kita boleh nampak bilangan yang short bertambah. So price start to turun. So right now we know that short is coming in. Seller is coming in. So you can see here the change in number will result the change in price. So based on that we can predict next week which is the best move. You can see gold non-commercial on 21st is 163, on 28 is 136. Drop about $30. So we can see the drop market is selling because the drop in the interest. Okay, interest. Let we see gold. Ini period splitter the week before. So the week before kita boleh nampak sellers coming in. Before that a bit sideways. Okay, it start to pull down, and expect this week commitment trader akan lagi berkurang long goal kalau dia break apa support resistance lah. Kalau dia break support resistance, clear nampak gold drop order open interest dari 163 to 136. So when gold open interest drop, it show that seller start to coming in. The psychology now is market will start to reverse. So kita boleh tahu macam mana kita boleh tahu based on the commitment of trader. Commitment trader setiap Sabtu keluar. Mana kita nak cari? Mudah saja. Pergi ke Forex, Hot Forex punya website. You pergi ke tool economic calendar. So this is for today, let's say for today. So on the Saturday early morning ataupun kita panggil Jumaat malam lah, kita akan dapat information pasal COT. Daripada COT kita tahu next week apa psikologi dalam pasaran. Okay, USD makin bertambah ke tak? Okay, Euro makin berkurang ke tak? Kalau okay, USD makin bertambah, Euro makin berkurang, fine. Find a way untuk sambung sell Euro USD. Because we know the psychology of the market. Okay. One more is very fast. It happen for the intraday. Okay. For commitment trader, usually it's nice to use at the H4 and daily. Tapi on intraday, we will mainly rely on the market information. Where we can get from the Twitter, Run Squad, Live Squad, or Forex Live. Okay, they will tell you what's happening in the market, what is the psychology of the market, buy or sell. Or you can look into Bloomberg Market, or Wall Street Journal. So mainly I look for the Run Squad, Forex Live, and the Bloomberg. These three. So I can get the information very fast. Based on that, I can analyze, I can predict what is the market mood, buy or sell. Macam hari ini. Hari ini kita ada news. News juga memberi psikologi kepada market. Okay, hari ini kita ada today, tomorrow. Okay, awal pagi esok kita ada FOMC meeting. So we want to know what is the market psychology. One way we can know market psychology about FOMC, first read the information. Read the information, selalunya dalam ini dia akan bagi tahu what is the market expecting, what is the analyst expecting. Okay, from here kita boleh tahu what is going on in the market. Right now macam petang tadi, because psychology involves sentiment. Okay, petang tadi GBP is strengthened because why? Okay, because news of the PMI construction is better than expected. Selepas berapa lama data GBP tak cantik, hari ini data cantik untuk construction PMI. So what will happen to GBP? Automatically, it will become strong. Market start to feel positive. Okay. So what we know is the psychology right now is GBP is strong. Okay, the psychology is GBP is strong, GBP USD. So GBP USD we can look for buy. Let's say for buy. So GBP USD tadi news keluar is very positive. So we know the psychology GBP is quite strong. So what we do usually we can try to find the entry point. Okay, like this one. Sini boleh sedang. Resistance break, retest, reverse and go. So the psychology of the market, we know GBP is strong. So what we do, wait, break, pull back and go. Because we know the psychology. And technical helping us untuk find the entry. Still we depend on technical, but we need to know what is happening in the market. What is the mood of the market towards GBP, let's say. So GBP, we can see a lot of the movement. Okay, understanding market psychology, not about fundamental sentiment saja. Understanding market psychology is about technical as well. Okay, technical as well. Mana support resistance. You need to know the market psychology. Bila dah sampai resistance, lalu what is the market psychology? Macam tadi saya tunjuk contrarian. Janganlah sampai resistance you nak buy lagi. Kononnya trend will continue. No. Either you can become contrarian. So understand the psychology. What is the psychology? Dari segi bahasa teknikal, the psychology of the price. Okay. Technical wise. Okay. Technical wise. Okay. Psychology. Candlestick is the psychology. Macam mana? Buyer versus seller. Support and resistance. Where buyer and seller wait. Ini common, but you need to know the psychology of the price. Okay, psychology of the price. Price all time high ke ataupun low ke, month highest in the year ke, last week high ataupun low, yesterday high ataupun low. So semua ni is the psychology, price psychology. So bila sini we know what to do because this is the where we understand the psychology. Faham tak? Macam sini resistance. We know the resistance. So what happened? The psychology is Sugopun trend strong, we know. Up to here, we need to be prepared. You know already psychology. Why is stop here? Okay. Why is stop here? Because we know psychologically this is a support. Price will stop here. Maybe we can look for the opportunity untuk buy. Yang mana kita boleh dapat, okay, reversal pattern is go. Okay, don't buy it here. Or don't buy it here. Because this is no psychology level. This is not a psychology. This is not a buyer place. You know where is the buyer place? No, their psychology. The psychology of buyer usually they will buy at the support. Psychology of seller they will sell at the resistance. Itu basic psychology. Another psychology is okay here. Okay, this is the low of the year. Low level of the year ke, low of the last month ke. So understand psychology is about understanding the technical as well. It's not about fundamental only. Fundamental news apa semua tu, okay, we can understand. But it may take time. It may take time. Commitment of trader also may take time. But when you know that, you know where to place your position. Itu yang kita nak. Yang kita nak memahami pasaran. Memahami pasaran tu macam mana? Understand the psychology. Jangan market tengah naik, kita pergi sell. Gunakan technical yang kita tahu. Price action, okay, sell at where? Sell at the resistance. Kenapa? Dari segi psikologi, kita kena sell at resistance. Tapi kalau nak tahu news, inilah run squad. Saya selalu run squad dengan Forex Live. Okay. Kalau saya baca siapa yang follow FB, selalu saya ambil information daripada Bloomberg. Cepat. So, based on this, I can know what is happening in the market. So, yang macam saya share. Okay, saya selalu share dekat FB. Selalunya London sebelum London open. Okay, kita tengok dekat sini. Okay. Okay, ini data GBP baik. Sekejap lah. Sebelum tu. Selamat tengah loading lah. Okay. USD melakukan sedikit pullback pada sesi Asia. Okay, psikologinya construction PMI dia akan menjadi pemacu GBP. Data GBP baik, GBP kukuh. JPY kekal lemah. 4 jam yang lalu. Okay, 4 jam yang lalu GBP JPY. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, data cantik. Apa jadi? Data dekat sini tak silap saya. Okay. Data cantik. Apa jadi? Price naik. So we know the psychology of the price. Price going up. So at this, if you have the information, okay, we take the position. It's about 30 pip for the intraday. And then kenapa dia turun balik? Sebab dari segi teknikalnya, this is the, where is the, kita tengok H1. Where is the support become resistance area? Moving average, resistance. So the psychology is, kita belum boleh buy, tapi lepas tu technical wise, kenapa this is support become resistance. So kita kat sini kita boleh fikir, okay, boleh buy, tapi worth it tak? Jauh tak dia akan pergi? Kenapa? Psychologically. If we know what happens psychologically, we can predict. Technical analysis is part of the psychology analysis, tapi more on the number wise. Ramai yang tak nampak dekat situ. Okay, satu lagi cara senang nak tahu market psychology is pergi ke analysishotforex.com. Okay, dekat Hotforex kita ada menyediakan banyak informasi. Nak tahu, pergi ke website Hotforex, you pergi ke tool exclusive analysis. So you boleh tahu. Okay, apa yang terjadi di pasaran. Market news. So ini information yang tu. Tapi yang saya selalu gunakan, favorite saya lah, okay, Trader Spot. Because Trader Spot, I can know what is the market psychology right now. Okay, they're bullish on the USD. They're bearish on the Euro, GBP bercampur. AUD bercampur. Okay, NZD strong. So, Euro USD and CAD is weak as well. Kita tengok ni. Euro versus NZD. Euro weak, NZD strong. Maksudnya, kita nak tengok Euro NZD. Euro NZD apa jadi? Apa the psychology now? Euro is weak. Okay. And NZD is strong. So kita boleh tengok Euro. Mana Euro NZD? Kita tengok H1. Ini intraday. Okay. Let's say kita tengok sini. This is the support area. Okay. Ini adalah support area. Betul tak? And so, apa jadi? Kita nampak dia break, retest. We know that psychologically, Euro is weak. Okay. In terms of price apa semua. Okay. So, apa kita buat? Kita boleh cari peluang untuk sell Euro NZD because we know market psychology now, they are buying NZD. So, gunakan technical analysis. Okay, this is resistance. This is resistance. I can sell here. Trend line. Ataupun support resistance tadi dah. Mana-mana. Gunakan technical sesuaikan dengan psikologi pasaran sekarang. Euro USD. Keep going down. Okay. So, tapi kalau kita pandai, kita rajin semua mencari kan. Okay, this is resistance. Price reject resistance, reversal. So, we can see the price. Okay, resistance. Price psychology. Currency psychology. Euro tengah apa? Euro tengah weak. Itu semua psikologi. So, based on the psychology, try to find the strong versus the weak. Strong versus the weak. We know the psychology. Strong versus the weak. Dia akan pergi one direction. So, ini yang kita nak. We know the psychology of the market. Help us to simplify our analysis. Kita tak perlu tengok semua pair. Kita tengok tak ada. Guna Trader Spot, tengok yang mana strong, yang mana weak. Because you know, psychologically, why strong? Okay, people buying. Why sell? Why weak? People is selling. So, kita pairkan dia, kita tu. Buka chart, tengok. Okay, price masih jauh lagi. Kita boleh buy. Lepas tu, check tengok psychology level. Resistance ada tak? Tak ada resistance. Jauh lagi resistance. So, we can buy. Kalau dekat dengan resistance, don't buy. Because why? Seller is there. Trading ni is about buyer and seller. Who is stronger? Itu yang kita nak tahu. So, we want to know psychologically who is stronger. Then we can make a simple analysis. Tak perlu complicated. Sebab apa? Objektif kita nak manage kita punya risk. Ultimate dream, less risk, more profit. So you know what happened in the market, what is the psychology in the market, you know what to do. Orang fikir psikologi ni susah. Tak. Price is psychology. Candlestick is the psychology. Commitment of trader is psychology. So benda tu, you can use as your punya advantage. Itu basically apa yang saya nak cerita pasal psikologi. Candlestick, semua duk candlestick. how candlestick is born. Japanese candlestick is born because the paddy farmer, okay, penanam padi bahasa Melayunya, Homa, dia nak monitor price. Dia nak tahu bila price padi akan murah, bila price padi akan tinggi. So dari situ, dia tengok pergerakan price, psikologi pasaran, buyer, seller. Lepas tu dia akan develop bull bear. Lepas tu start tu dia akan nampak pattern-pattern dalam pasaran. So dia develop semua dari situ. Tapi asas dia apa? Psikologi juga. Market psychology. Self psychology itu penting. Self psychology itu kita kena waras, kita kena tenang, kita kena relax, kita kena sabar. Itu self psychology. Tapi self psychology bagus macam mana pun. Kalau you tak faham apa yang you trade, you tak tahu psikologi dalam pasaran apa jadi, susah. Fundamental wise dari sentiment memang susah sikit, tapi approach dari segi teknikal yang mudah sikit. Price psychology, support resistance psychology, buyer and seller psychology. Kau memang of trader, you faham, trust me, lama-lama you akan nampak. You tengok sekarang 2 minggu lepas mana yang paling kita boleh nampak ni 21 April, week 3 April, semua sell USD. Tapi datang week 28 last week, dia orang semua daripada sell tukar jadi buy, very strong. So kita tahu market now is look to buy USD. So what we do, buy at support. Carilah pair yang mana yang lemah, nak pair dengan USD yang strong. So bila dia bounce daripada support, kita buy based on candlestick price action trading. Faham? Clear? Dia is a bit complicated, tapi sebenarnya tak complicated pun, sebab all about how we understand the market. Kalau kita faham market, mudah untuk kita buat kerja. Okay, so webinar, next Monday kita akan ada live market analysis. Okay, seperti biasa, preview pasaran mingguan. Sekejap, tak keluar. Sekejap okay, nampak skrin. Okay, this next week 7 Mei preview pasar mingguan. Okay, 9 Mei tak ada, kita bercuti. Okay, Malaysia memilih. So sila buat pilihan anda dengan bijak. Bukan politik ni, tapi tunaikan tanggungjawab kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia dalam pilihan raya. So kita tak ada, kita sambung dengan 14 Mei preview pasar mingguan. Okay, lepas tu 16 Mei saya akan ajar strategi price action, tapi more on the intraday. Selalu sebelum ni saya banyak daily kepada H4, intraday part 1, intraday part 2, and then candlestick pattern that you need to know. Approach psychology juga ni. So jangan miss. Okay, bulan puasa kita tetap ada webinar, so kita boleh plan kita punya schedule. So itu saja untuk malam ni. Terima kasih banyak kerana sudi hadir dan terus menyokong saya untuk membuat kelas secara online dan juga fizikal. So siapa yang berminat boleh datang kelas di setiap hari Selasa dan Khamis di Hot4X, Office Hot4X di Malaysia. So itu saja untuk malam ni. Terima kasih banyak. Kalau ada apa-apa persoalan, anda boleh hubungi saya di email tersebut ataupun di Facebook. Okey, itu saja untuk malam ini. Terima kasih banyak kerana terus bersama dengan saya. Kita jumpa lagi minggu depan pada hari Isnin preview pasar mingguan. So selamat malam semua. Minta maaf atas kekurangan daripada pihak saya. So selamat malam and bye-bye.